Gentlemen, ladies, good day to all of you. My name is Maria Fez Prasha, aka Master Mami B, your speaker for tonight. Alright, so once again, blessed day to each and everyone. Ang pag-attend niyo po dito ay isa ng malaking blessings. Huwag kayong mag-alala, mabilis lang po ito at hindi po namin sasayangin ang inyong mga oras. Sana tapusin niyo hanggang dulo dahil dito ma-educate kayo on how to do the business right. Alright? So meron lang po tayong konting house rules. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, pakilagay lamang po muna ito sa inyong mga chat box. Mamaya, babalikan ko po yan. Or maybe may mga questions nyo ay nasasagot na rin along the way with my presentation. Kaya stay tuned, huwag po kayong mawawala para wala kayong ma-miss out na mga detalye. Alright? Kailangan mo ba ng karagdagang kita? Nasa subscription ako. Ito ang subscription na mayroon kang kita or profit shares kada buwan. Bagamat maliit ang paon ng kita, pero habang tumataas ang bilang ng mga subscribers, tumataas din ang iyong kita. And this is the only membership club that pays you. Anong sabi? Kada buwan, mayroon kang kita or profit shares dahil sa iyong subscription. So ano bang meron dito? Membership club. And this is the only membership club that pays you. So, kailan ka naman babayaran? Kada buwan. Gusto mo ba ito? Or gustong-gusto? Of course, gusto nating lahat yan. Okay? So, another question. Mayroon ka bang alalahanin tungkol sa kawalan ng sapat na puhunan? Huwag mag-alala, matututunan mo kung paano magsimula ng iyong sariling negosyo. Nang walang numang kapital, basta masipag ka lang at maabilidad, pwede ka dito. Okay? So, ang presentation na ito ay ginawa para sa mga walang sapat na puhunan. Dito, matututunan mo kung paano magsimula ng iyong sariling negosyo. Ang magiging puhunan mo lang dito ay ano? Sipag at abilidad. Okay? So, para naman po doon sa may sapat na puhunan, you are also welcome here. And once to join, your life can truly change for the better. So, let's discuss this further. Alright? Okay, so what would you like? To earn or to learn? Of course, parehas lang po yan because learning is earnings. Okay? So ito po ang ating mga pag-uusapan dyan. The membership club that pays you. Corporate team. Products. Ops. Uunahan ko na kayo. Hindi nyo kailangan bumili or magbenta dito. Dahil time will come, makukuha nyo to ng libre. So ano ba ang ating mga products? Which is the highest nutritional supplements on the planet. Okay? At ito ang ating mga products. Bakit ko nasabing makukuha nito ng libre? Because of the compensation plan. At ito ang mahalaga dahil kailangan natin ng karagdagang kita. Okay? So dito po muna tayo sa the membership club that pays you. Okay? So pag-usapan muna natin itong mga popular na membership club. Okay? So nandyan si YouTube Pro, meron siyang 125 million members. Si Amazon Prime, 200 million members. Netflix, 302 million members. Sam's Club, 69 million members. Costco, 137 million members. Disney Prime, 157 million members. Bakit to? Ipinapakita ito. Let's say, itong 157 million members times natin sa kanilang monthly na $15.99. And that is 2.5 billion a month. Ibig sabihin, napakalaki ng kanilang monthly revenue. Tama ba? And itong si Netflix, ito ang may pinakamalaking members. Meron siyang 302 million members. Meaning, ito rin ang may pinakamalaking monthly revenue dahil almost 28 years na ito sa ganitong ori ng industriya. Pero ang lahat ng mga ito ay membership club that don't pay. Okay? So, balikan natin si Netflix. Ang tanong, what if Netflix started with an affiliate program? Affiliate, ibig sabihin, pwede mong i-promote ang products or services nila. At ang kaakibat nito ay kita or commissions. No? Na, i-refer mo lang ito sa mga friends mo and you will get paid. Siguro lahat ng mga kapitbahay mo, inalok mo na. Tama ba? Okay, so company with profit shares. Sino kaya ito? So, nandito si SNR. Meron ito sa Pilipinas. Lander Superstore, Gold's Gym, Fitness First, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Costco, and Live Good. O, check natin ang kanilang mga products. Okay, so maganda naman po ang mga products ng mga company na yan. How about their services? Ayan, so far, so good ang mga services din po ng mga company na yan. Okay? Ang kanila kayang profit shares? Oh no, wala kang kita dyan. Wala ka rin kita dyan. Okay? Ganun din dyan, wala kang kita. Okay, so wala kang kita dyan. Okay? You see? Wala kang income sa mga ito. Because all of these are membership club that don't pay. Alright? So maliban na lang kay Live Good. And it's good to know na may income ka rito or profit shares. And that is great. Alright? And now, we are welcoming you to the worldwide company, and that is Live Good. Yoo-hoo! The only membership club that pays you. Live Good affiliates member revenue comes from the sales of the memberships. So saan galing ang kanilang revenue? Sa membership. Okay? And hundreds of people joining every hour. Going to 3 years pa lang po tayo this coming December 13, 2025. Pero as of now, nasa 2 million plus members na po tayo. At tayo lang ang nakagawa niyan sa loob ng maikling panahon. And that is record-breaking. Pinapalakpakan po yan. Alright. Okay, so the first home-based business opportunity that profit shares is membership revenue with affiliates. Okay, so bilang affiliates, meron kang profit shares na ibinibigay every single month dahil meron kang subscription buwan-buwan, okay, na $9.95, ibinabalik naman ito ng company. Kailan? Month? After month? After month. Opo. Every single month. Ibinabalik ni Live Good. Kahit sa bahay mo lang ito gawin. No? May kita ka because this is the only membership club that pays you. So para ka na ring shareholder dito, tama ba? Do you like it? Or do you love it? Of course, love na love natin lahat ito. Alright? And good to know, Live Good is the A of social marketing because Live Good is the next Amazon of social marketing. Live Good is not a health and wellness company. The membership is the product we promote. So ano ang pinopromote natin? Ang membership. Ibig sabihin, membership ang ating minamarket, hindi products. Ang products ay ito ay ating services. No buying nor selling unwanted products or services. Dito, hindi ka na required na bumili or magbenta. Nasa iyo lang to kung gusto mo lang itong gawin. And this is your one-stop online wholesale superstore. You see, once you join, meron kang instant access na online wholesale superstore with 3 major replicated websites. Parang Amazon lang din ito. Or dito sa Pilipinas, Lazada or Shopee. And our products are virtually sell themselves because of your websites. Nasa e-commerce na tayo with dropshipping. No worries, company ang magpapadala nito. Door to door. Hindi ikaw tatanggap ng bayad, pero ikaw ang tatanggap ng commissions. And this is worldwide company. Hindi lang pan-local, pang-international pa. Alright? Live Good launched globally on December 13, 2022. And ito po ang Wholesale Membership Club or membership card ng ating CEO. Alright, so Live Good is a US-based company located in Jupiter, Florida. And available po ito in more than 200 countries worldwide. Ito ang ating first distribution warehouse na nasa Florida, USA. Nasa Germany naman po ang ating second distribution warehouse. Okay, so in terms of legalities and certifications, ang inyo pong lingkod, hindi basta-basta pumapasok sa isang company. Ito po ay sinisiyasat ko munang mabuti. And for all good, Live Good is a 100% legit and legal company. Kaya nandito ako ngayon sa inyong harapan. Alright? Think about it. Gateway to your health and financial freedom. Para magkaroon kayo ng konting ideas, panoorin muna natin itong 4 minutes video.
Hello my friend, I'm your future business partner. Gusto mo bang kumita ng dollars kahit sa bahay lang gaya ko? Ito ang good news. Hindi mo kailangang may college degree. Basta 18 years old pataas, pwede ka dito. Hindi ka magbebenta, walang bibiling produkto, at magagawa anytime mo lang gusto. Narinig mo na ba to? Yes, yan yung Live Good. Now, ang tanong, 100% legit ba to? Let's go, i-check natin. Buksan natin ang Google nyo. Then, i-type natin ang Business for Home. And then, i-click nyo yung Business for Home Direct Selling Facts, Figures, and News. Yan, para makapasok kayo dito sa Business for Home website. Then, click nyo tong Momentum Ranks. Click nyo lang uli ang umilaw ng Momentum Ranks. Scroll mo lang yung screen mo pababa hanggang umabot ka kay Live Good. Ayun, yan ang ranking ngayon ni Live Good. Ayun, balik lang tayo sa taas na box ng search, pero na tayong titingnan. At i-search natin ang mga companies. As of this date, my friend, ito ang ranking natin. Tara, i-type nga natin dito sa search box si Live Good. Pangilan nga si Live Good? Ayan, grabe di ba? I-check nga natin yung mga mas matatagal ng companies na kilala natin, gaya nila Usana. What about Herbalife? Si New Skin kaya? Ito ang tagal na nito. What about si Amway? Dito maraming nagsimula dito. Forever Living Products. Ito yung mga makeup ng pambabae, Mary Kay. Ito naman, bata pa tayo, kilala na natin to. Si Tupperware. Ito, ang dami rin nandito. In Global or Alliance in Motion. Ito din, matagal na to. Mga ladies, alam na alam to. Avon. Pero nagsanib pwersa na sila ng The Body Shop. Kaya iba na ang pangalan niya ngayon. Natura and Company. So i-check nga natin ulit for the last time si Live Good. Ayan talaga ang current rank ni Live Good. So legit pa tayo? Oo naman, 100% legit. So bakit hindi scam si Live Good? Bakit nga ba? Kasi kasama siya dito sa listahan ng Business for Home website. Kasi kung hindi tayo legit at scam tayo, hindi tayo makakasama dito sa website na to. At ang nakaka-proud pa dito, nilampasan natin ang madaming sikat at matatagal na companies, diba? Nakita nyo naman na mas mataas pa ang ranking natin sa kanila. Pinapalakpakan yan, my friend. So, duda ka pa rin ba? No problem. You can do your due diligence. Yes, no problem. Mag-research ka, my friend. If wala ka ng pagdududa, that's great. Check mo yung link ko na nandyan at panoorin mo yung ating Live Good Quick Tour ng ating CEO. And register now for free with your name and email address. You can reach me anytime dyan sa mga contact details ko, my friend. So, let's go, my friend, and let's build your Live Good business with me and our entire team. Excited na kaming makasama ka dito sa ating Live Good journey. Woohoo! Thank you and God bless you always, my friend.
Yung mayayaman nga, hindi napapagod mag-isip ng dagdag na pagkakakitaan. Tayo pa kaya mga ordinaryong tao lang? Congratulations! In just 11 months, naging 880,000 na po agad ang members ng Live Good. Meaning, napakaganda talaga ng Live Good. And, Live Good breaking news as of April 2025, dito, 1.8 million members na. Pero as of now, nasa 2 million plus members na po tayo. Okay? At ito naman yung mga numbers of ranking as of April 2025 po yan. We can operate over 200 countries worldwide. You see? Napakalawak ng ating market. Alright. Anong sabi? Kahit nasa bahay ka lang, pwede kang kumita at dollars pa ang kitaan dito. No need na lumabas ka pa ng ibang bansa. Biruin mo, nandito ka sa Pilipinas, ang income mo ay dollars. Okay ba? And you can doing the business through online. Basta 18 years old ka pataas, pwede ka rito. No obligation to buy nor sell. You can do it anytime mo lang ito gusto. Yan ang maganda dyan. So, pwede nyo rin i-google ito. Type nyo lang ang company review ranks. As of November 12, 2025 po ito. So, dito, number 2 po tayo. Alright? Now, punta naman po tayo sa ating corporate team. And these are the people behind the company. Kaya po, nag-number 2 tayo sa company review ranks because we are the fastest growing network marketing on the planet. And now, meet the corporate team. Ito po si Ben Glensky. Ito ang ating CEO. With over 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry, Ben knows how to help people win. Siya naman po si Dr. Ryan Goodkin, Director of Product Development, with a doctorate in pharmacy, a degree in science and nutrition. Dr. Ryan has a unique background of being both a natural health practitioner as well as a pharmacist. Ito naman po ang butihing may bahay ni Dr. Ryan Goodkin, si Lisa Goodkin, Director of Product Education, with a master's degree in exercise physiology, a degree in science and nutrition. Lisa knows what works and what doesn't work for all people of all levels of health and fitness. Ito naman po si Nader Kazan, Director of Field Development, a legend in the network marketing industry. Nader has coached, trained, and helped thousands of people be better, do better, and achieve more than they ever thought they could. Yes, nag-collaborate po silang 4 with over 50 years of combined experience. Our corporate team have led us to record-breaking growth and success in the industry in less than a year. Sa maikling panahon, napalagpat na paunlad nila ang ganitong uri ng industriya. And that is record-breaking because the true leadership creates true success. All right? And now, dito naman po tayo sa ating products. About Live Good products, up to 75% off with the highest quality guaranteed. About Live Good products pa rin, made in the USA. Kapag sinabing made in the USA, highest quality product po ito at hindi basta-basta. Tumaan din ito sa GMP or Good Manufacturing Practices. Kumbaga dito sa Pilipinas, ito ay FDA or Food and Drugs Administration. NSF, National Sanitation Foundation. Ito po ang nagsicertify na walang contamination ng chemical or anything ang ating products. USDA, United States Department of Agriculture. There are certified na 100% and purely organic ang ating products. At may third-party lab tested po ito with Certificate of Analysis ng 4 na malalaking laboratory. Nandito ang Rapid, MN, Outlab, Dyed Lab, and our products are tested for purity and potency, which is accredited po ito ng pinakamalaking laboratory, ang American Association for Laboratory. We make sure na highest quality ang ating mga produkto at mabibili mo lang ito sa mas mababang halaga na kayang-kaya ng bulsa at talagang pangmasa. And that's our mission. So ano ba ang ating mission? Live Good mission. To help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. And it's time to make a change. Ito po si Dr. Ryan Goodkin, one of the corporate team, which is the brain of our powerful supplements. Ito ang kanyang sinabi. I don't create products to sell. I create products to use and for my family to use. There is no way I am going to let my family put something in their body that I don't trust 100%. That's why I started Live Good. I formulated every product. I know exactly what is in them and I would not go a day without them. Okay? So siya po mismo ang formulator ng ating mga products. Kaya may sariling manufacturing of products ang Live Good. At uulitin ko, hindi po pinagkakakitaan ang ating products. Ang products natin ay ating services because of our mission. So bakit ito ginagawa ni Dr. Ryan Goodkin? Ito ay kanyang ginagawa para sa kanyang family to use. Kaya itinuturing din tayong family ng Live Good because of the Live Good mission. Sa benefits of being a Live Good members, up to 75% off lower price compared to other brands. At ito ang ating Super Reds. Isa ito sa pinakamahusay na product. So makikita mo ang mga reviews nito sa websites. Ano ba ang meron sa Super Reds? Okay, so meron itong pomegranate, alfalfa grass, vitamins, beetroot, hunterberry, barley grass. You see? May barley grass pa. So ano pa? Meron pang wheat grass, spinach, grapeseed, oatgrass, antioxidants, and aronia berry. Ang supplements natin are good for cardiovascular health, good for circulation, sexual health. Yes, may bonus pa para sa mga mag-asawa. And brain and cognitive function. And of course, 100% organic po ito with 90 days money back guarantee. Ano ang ibig sabihin nito? If you don't absolutely love any Live Good product you order, simply send back the empty bottle and we will give you a full refund. No question asked. Ito po ang eksaktong sinabi ng ating CEO. Talagang confident po ang ating CEO sa mga products natin kaya lumalaban ito ng 90 days money back guarantee. And for all good, wala namang nag-refund. Because our products is the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet. Price comparison tayo, magkano ito? $19.95. Kaya best value po ito. And you can save 50% up to 71% off compared to other brands. You see? Napakababa talaga ng products natin kumpara sa ibang brands, which is the highest quality products at the lowest cost. Alright? Okay. So, International Wellness Package, free shipping na ito kapag itong package na to ang kinuha nyo. Okay? And as of April 2025, we have 36 products, 10 products packages, and 8 swag and accessories. And 10 more products to be launched this year. But as of now, meron na po tayong more than 40 products. Hindi ko na ito isa-isahin pa. You can check our website. Dito makikita nyo ang lahat ng mga products. In full details po ito. Okay? Advantages. You see? Ang laki ng advantages natin dito. Tama ba? But kidding aside, let's see what is this all about. No mandatory buying, no auto ship, no team sales quota, no point monitoring, no flash out, no personal sales required. Dito, tinanggal na po ang lahat ng mga ito. And buy the products what you want and when you want. Meaning, no obligation to buy nor sell. Nasa iyo lang ito kung kailan or ano lang ang need mo. At kung kailan mo lang ito gusto. Alright? And now, ito ang ating pinakahihintay. At ito ang pinakamahalaga. Kaya tayo ay nandito dahil kailangan natin ng karagdagang income, which is the compensation plan. And now, we are presenting to you MMK magpakailanman. MMK, maniwala, magtiwala, kikita. At ang kitaan dito ay unlimited month. Kaya nga, magpakailanman. Saan? Dito lamang yan at livegood.com. TGIF, tayo gumawa ng inspirational formula. The greatest inspirational formula. Once you inspired, dapat share the blessings na tayo ay pagpalain. Alright. Our business is all about subscription. This is the only subscription company that pays you. Ibig sabihin, meron kang subscription buwan-buwan at buwan-buwan, meron ka ring profit shares. Okay. So, meron tayong one-time payment, lifetime membership. So, magkano po ito? $49.95. Opo, dollars. Kasi ang company natin ay nakabase sa Florida, USA. Kaya dollars din ang kitaan natin dito. Magkano naman po ito in peso? 3,000 pesos only. At meron ka namang monthly subscription. Magkano naman ito? $9.95 in peso. Magkano? 600 pesos only. So, pwede ka rin naman na mag-yearly subscription. Kapag ito ang kinuha mo, discounted ka na ng 20%. Instead of 12 months ang babayaran mo, magiging 10 months na lang po ito. And that is $99.95 in peso. Magkano naman po ito? 6,000 pesos only. No worries. Ang iyong monthly or yearly subscription dahil meron ka na ngang profit shares, so dito mo na rin kukunin ito. At ang magiging kapital mo na lang talaga dito ay, ito lang, 3,000 pesos only. No more, no less. Sa halagang 3,000 pesos, meron ka ng lifetime business at lifetime profit shares. Gusto mo ba ito? Or gusto? Alright, kung paano? Ito yan. Okay? So, meron tayong two genealogy trees, the enroller tree and matrix tree. In enroller tree, meron kang weekly commissions and that is $25 every enroll. In matrix tree, meron kang monthly commissions and that is $0.25 each. You see, may weekly commissions na, may monthly commissions pa. Alright. Okay, so unahin natin ang matrix commissions equals to $0.25 each. How to complete? 2 by 15 matrix. If everyone enrolls 2 people a week, you will complete your matrix 2 by 15 in just 15 weeks. No? And that is 2 direct enrollees weekly lang po. You see? Ibig sabihin, kapag ang lahat ay merong napajoin na tig-2 lang every week, within 15 weeks, puno na ang matrix stream mo. Tama po ba? At itong 2 na ito, meron din napajoin na tig-2, kaya 2 times 2 lang equals 4. At itong 4 na to, meron ding napajoin na tig-2, kaya 4 times 2 equals 8. At itong 8, meron ding napajoin na tig-2, kaya 8 times 2 equals 16. At itong 16, meron ding napajoin na tig-2, kaya 16 times 2 equals 32. And so on and so forth. At kapag napuno ito within 15 weeks, total people in your matrix, ilan yan kapag inad natin nga? Ayan, 65,534 people. Okay? In matrix commission. Dito, mayroon kang $0.25 each. So, times natin yan. sa $0.25. Ayan, so meron kang $16,383.50. Okay, so convert natin ito sa peso, times lang din natin ito sa 57, and that is 933,859.50 pesos. Every month, after month, after month. Opo, every single month po ito. At ito ang iyong potential income kapag napuno ang metric stream mo. Ang tanong, kailan mapupuno ang metric stream mo? Lahat ba ng ito ay kaya magpa-join ng tig-dalawa every week? Madali lang ba itong gawin? Madaling tingnan. Pero hindi kayang gawin ng lahat dahil hindi naman lahat ng ito ay gagalaw. Okay, so paano kung dito pa lang? Ayan, dito pa lang, sa dalawang to ay hindi na gumalaw. O kaya dito sa 8 na to, kalahati lang ang gumalaw. Eh di hindi na napuno ang metric stream mo. Malaking problema ito, tama po ba? But for every problem, there is a solution. Kaya gumawa po tayo ng formula. TGIF or the greatest inspirational formula para hindi mabakante at mapuno agad ang iyong metric tree kung paano silipin natin. Okay? And now, ito ang ating enroller tree with TGIF. So parang bangko lang po ito. Let's say meron tayong bangko and now, welcome to the Bank Corporation. And the bank name is MMK Magpakailanman Bank Collaboration Worldwide. And this collaboration are open to all nationalities. And now, meet a corporate team. 4 po silang nandito na nag-collaboration. Code number 1001, 1002, 1003, and 1004. Gagamit tayo ng code for easy access or safety code number. Ano ba ang requirements para magkaroon ng safety code number? Need mo lang na mag-deposit ng 2 new affiliates from the word affiliate. Ito magiging kaakibat mo to promote your business. In return, there is an income. And bilang isa kayo sa corporate team, kayo ang magiging good examples. Let's say, ang naunang nag-deposit ng 2 new affiliates, si Anonymous. Okay? Or safety code number 1003. Okay, so ang kanyang 2 new affiliates are 1005 and 1006. Ilagay natin ito sa safety bank. Ano ba ang mayroon sa safety bank? Kapag ikaw ay nasa safety bank na, meaning mayroon ka ng safety code number. At ang lahat na mayroong safety code numbers ay malalagyan at malalagyan ng 2 new affiliates. Gusto niyo ba ito? Or gustong-gusto? Of course, gusto nating lahat ito. Kaya sumabay ka na para malagyan ka rin ng 2 new affiliates. There is a saying, na daig ng maagap ang masipag. Kaya kapag ikaw ay maagap, lahat ng masisipag ay nasa ilalim mo. Alright, so ituloy natin. 1005 and 1006, it will be deposited to 1001. Next to be deposited is 1004. Ang kanyang 2 new affiliates are 1007 and 1008. Silagay po natin ito sa safety bank and it will be deposited to 1002 na. From the word deposited. Bakit maraming nagde-deposit sa bangko? Because of trust. Of course, 1003 and 1004 have earned the trust within their community. Generally, your community are eager to collaborate and work together. Speaking of trust, ang unang naniwala at nagtiwala to be collaborated is 1009. At ang kanyang 2 new affiliates are 1010 and 1011. At ilagay po natin ito sa safety bank. Alright? And it will be deposited to 1003. You see? Bumalik or napalitan na ang 2 new affiliates ni 1003. Next to be collaborated is 1012. Ang kanyang 2 new affiliates are 1013 and 1014. Ilagay natin sa safety banks and it will be deposited to 1004. Next to be collaborated is 1015. Ang kanyang 2 new affiliates are 1016 and 1017. Ilagay natin sa safety bank and it will be deposited to 1005. You see? Kahit wala pang na-deposit yung wife or husband ni Anonymous or safety code number 1005, malalagyan at malalagyan ito ng 2 new affiliates dahil meron na itong safety code number. At kung ano ang nangyayari sa isa, ganun din ang mangyayari sa lahat. Kaya isabay mo na ang lahat ng mahal mo sa buhay para lahat kayo kumita ng sabay-sabay and everybody's happy. Alright, so ituloy natin. Next to be collaborated is at 1018 at ang kanyang two new affiliates are 1019 and 1020. Silagay natin sa safety bank and it will be deposited to 1006. And next to be collaborated is si 1021. Ang kanyang two new affiliates si 1022 and 1023. Ilagay natin sa safety bank and it will be deposited to 1007. Next to be collaborated si 1024. Ang kanyang two new affiliates si 1025 and 1026. Ilagay natin sa safety bank and it will be deposited to 1008. Next to be collaborated si 1027. Ang kanyang two new affiliates are 1028 and 1029. Ilagay natin sa safety bank. And it will be deposited to 1009. Next to be collaborated si 1030. Ang kanyang two new affiliates are 1031 and 1032. Okay? At ilagay natin ito sa safety bank. And it will be deposited to 1010. Okay? And this is your level 1. Kapag mayroon dalawang tao na sa iyong level 1, ikaw ay meron ng $25 each. So times natin ito sa 2. And that is $50. Okay? And level 2, kapag mayroon kang dalawang tao in your level 2, you have another $5 each. So times natin ito sa 2. So you have another $10. Okay, so this is your enroller 3. Take note, ang income mo dito ay hanggang level 10. Ibig sabihin, kahit enroll mo. Hindi na ikaw nag-enroll sa mga ito. Hanggang 10 levels deep, may income ka pa rin dito. At depende ito sa iyong rank. And in enroller 3, kapag ikaw ay mayroong dalawang tao, bronze rank ka na kaagad. Okay, so dito lahat ng mayroong dalawang tao ay ayan, bronze rank ng mga ito. At ang maganda dito sa enroller 3, for every enroll, ito ay mapupunta sa iyong level 1. Meaning, lahat ng new affiliates mo, you have $25 each. For example, nakapag-deposit ka na ng 2 new affiliates kay MMK. You and your 2 new affiliates ay magkakaroon ng mga safety code numbers. No need na mag-deposit ka pa ulit. Ang requirement lang naman dito kay MMK ay need mo lang na ma-deposit ng 2 new affiliates para magkaroon kayo ng safety code numbers. And that's it. Question. Paano kung may na-enroll na naman? Then kapag mayroon kang, ayan, new affiliate number 3, mayroon kang another $25. New affiliate number 4, another $25. New affiliate number 5, another $25, meaning you can enroll as many times as you want. And that is for every enroll, you have $25 each. At ang iyong commissions ay makukuha mo ito within the following weeks. Paano kung nakadalawang enroll within the week? Okay, so ilagay natin 2 enrolls a week. Okay, and that is $50. Okay, 3 enrollees a week, $75. 4 enrollees a week, $100. At kahit ilan pa ang kaya mong ma-enroll within the weeks, ikaw ay mayroong $25 each for every enroll. And that is infinite wide. Alright? So bakit pa natin ginagawa ito? Because meron tayong purpose to help each and everyone to generate the matrix 3 to be filled from level 1 up to level 15. Matrix 3 is a system generated. Meaning, ang lahat ng tao from your enroller 3 ay ilalagay ng system sa iyong matrix 3 automatically. Kaya dito pa lang sa enroller 3 ay literal na naglalagay na tayo ng tig-2 tao dahil inuunahan na natin ang system para hindi mapakante at mapuno agad ang iyong matrix 3. Which is beneficial to each and everyone. Walang maiiwan. Alright? Kung paano, silipin natin. Matrix 3. Aralin natin ng mabuti kung anong meron dito sa Matrix 3 at silipin din natin ang iyong potential income dito. Okay, so nandito rin ang iyong matrix commissions. Ang matrix commissions are 2.5% or $0.25 from each active member that pays their monthly membership of $9.95. Okay? So ito, 2 by 15. Ito ang structure ng ating matrix 3. Everyone has only 2 frontline position, and that is level 1 of everyone. Meaning, in every level, times 2 lang ng times 2 hanggang level 15. Okay? So ilagay natin. And level 1, meron lang itong 2. So times 2 natin. Kaya in level 2, meron lang itong 4. So times 2 lang ulit natin. And level 3, meron lang itong 8. And so on. And kapag napuno ito, up to level 15. Kaya total people in your matrix 3, ilan ito? Ayan, 65,534 people. Dahil lahat na ito ay may monthly subscription na $9.95, mayroon kang $0.25 each. Take note kung ilan lang ang bilang ng mga nagbabayad ng $9.95. Times lang natin ito sa $0.25. Ito ang magiging monthly income mo. Let's say, lahat ng ito ay nagbayad ng kanilang monthly subscription. Okay? So, itong 65,534 times lang natin ito sa $0.25. Equals $16,383.50. Okay? Kaya ang iyong potential matrix commissions in peso, magkano? 933,859.50 pesos. And every month after month ito. Ang tanong, kailan mapupuno ito? It depends sa performance ng lahat. Kung ang lahat ay meron 2 direct enrollees every week, in just 15 weeks, puno na ang iyong matrix 3. Tama po ba? Possible ba itong mapuno in just 15 weeks? Sige, ganito na lang. Hindi na lang weekly, gawin na lang natin na monthly ang tigdalawa ng lahat. Let's say within 15 months bago ito mapuno. Okay? So yan, nilagay natin. Yan, 15 months na. Siguro possible na ito. Tama ba? Lahat mayroong 2 enrollees every month and that is 1 year and 3 months. Tama ba? Okay? Kaya ang iyong potential matrix commissions ay ito pa rin. 933,859.50 pesos. And every single month after month after month. You see what I mean? Sige, let's say hindi pa rin napuno within 15 months. Worst scenario na. 5 years bago ito napuno. Lagay natin. Iyan, 5 years na. Ang iyong potential matrix commissions ay ito pa rin. 933,859.50 pesos. And that is every single month na. Ang tanong, paano kung kalahati lang ang napuno? I-times natin ito sa 50%. Okay? Magkano yan? 466,929.75 pesos. And every single month ito. Paano kung 1/4 lang ang napuno? Times natin ito sa 25%. So mayroon ka pa rin 233,464.87 pesos. And every single month ito. Paano kung 10% lang ang napuno? I-times natin sa 10%. So mayroon ka pa rin 93,385.95 pesos. And every single month after month after month. Saang company mo kikitain dito within 5 years? Iyan na ang numero. And numbers don't lie. But with TGIF, the greatest inspirational formula, time will come, mapupuno at mapupuno ang matrix 3 nating lahat. You see what I mean? Alright. Kung na-inspired kayo sa Enroller 3 at Matrix 3, mas ma-inspired kayo dito sa matching bonuses. Anong meron dito? Okay? So matching bonus is a monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn every month from their metrics. Okay? So ibig sabihin, kung magkano ang income na yung direct enrollees sa kanilang metrics commissions every month, meron kang 50% or kalahati ng kinita nila. Hindi ito ibabawas sa kanila, company ang magbibigay nito sa iyo. Take note, kung ilan ang direct enrollees mo, meron kang 50% sa bawat isa sa kanila. And this is you. Let's say meron kang 4 na direct enrollees. Dito meron kang 50% bawat isa sa kanila. Let's say lahat ng ito ay kumikita ng $200 each sa kanilang metrics commission. Iparehas na lang natin ang monthly income nila. So lahat ng ito ay $800. Okay, so dito mayroon kang 50% and that is $400. Okay? Ang matching bonus mo in peso, magkano? 22,800 pesos. Every single month to. Paano kung mayroon kang 10 direct enrollees? Ilagay natin. Okay, so iparehas na lang din natin. Lahat ng ito ay kumikita din ng $200 in metrics commissions monthly. So itong $200 times 10 equals $2,000. Itong $2,000 times lang din natin ulit ito sa 50%. And mayroon kang $1,000. And now, ang matching bonus mo in peso, magkano? 57,000 pesos na. And every single month after month after month, in Live Good, you can enroll as many times as you want. Mas marami, mas malaki ang income mo every single month. Alright? Okay, so alamin muna natin itong rank advancement benefits. Bronze rank ka kaagad if meron kang 2 direct enrollees under your enroller tree and up to level 2 ang iyong income. Silver rank kapag meron kang 3 naging bronze and up to level 4 ang iyong income. Gold rank up to level 6 naman. Platinum up to level 8. And if you are a diamond rank up to level 10 ang iyong income. And dahil sa TGIF, time will come, lahat ay going to diamond. Alright. Okay, ito ang diamond bonus pool. As of now, meron po tayong 2 million members na po ang Live Good worldwide. So lahat ng ito ay may monthly subscription na $9.95. So round off na lang natin ito sa $10. Okay? So 2 million times natin ito sa $10. Okay? And that is 20 million total sales for the month. Okay? And itong 20 million kapag ikaw ay diamond rank, meron kang 2%. Okay? So 2% of 20 million, that is $400,000. Ito ay equally divided sa lahat ng mga diamond rank. Sabihin natin na mayroong 200 diamond rank worldwide. Kaya itong $400,000 divided by 200 equals $2,000 each. Okay? So if you are a diamond rank, shareholder ka na rin dito. Tama ba? And take note, total sales pa lang ito ng subscription. Wala pa ang products dito. You see what I mean? Okay, so in Crown Diamond naman, total sales for the month ay $20 million pa rin kapag ikaw ay Crown Diamond. So meron kang 0.50% from $20 million and that is $100,000. Ito ay equally divided sa lahat ng mga Crown Diamond rank. But as of now, 3 pa lang ang Crown Diamond worldwide. Isa sa US, isa sa Kazakhstan, and isa dito sa Philippines, our very own Master Fernand Santiago. Okay, so ituloy natin. Itong $100,000 divided by 3 equals $33,333.33 each. Okay, so para sa lahat ng mga Crown Diamond ranks. You see, shareholder ka na talaga dito kay Live Good. Woohoo! Alright. So meron tayong 7 ways of income: weekly fast starts commissions, metrics commissions, matching bonuses, retail commissions, customer acquisition bonuses, influencer bonuses, diamond and crown diamond bonus pools. Okay? So, 4 lang muna ang pinakita ko dito para meron naman pong konting excitement. Alright? And now, top 10 reasons to join and live good. So, isa-isahin natin ito. Okay? Number 1, wholesale prices on high-quality supplements as a member. Wholesale prices mo ito makukuha, which is the highest quality at the lowest cost. Number 2, affordable membership fee. Yes, very affordable dahil 600 pesos lang, member ka na. At number 3, lucrative affiliate program with a simple system. Ibig sabihin, you can earn substantial commissions or great profitable shares with a simple system. Number 4, proven 2 Hoget 2 duplication model. Let's say, meron kang 2 friends na nag-join. Then yung 2 friends mo, meron ding napa-join na tig-2. Then duplication lang hanggang sa lumaki na ang iyong organization. E di malaki na rin ang income mo. Ilan ba ang friends mo? 2 lang ba? You see what I mean? At number 5, global business opportunity. Dahil over 200 countries ang market natin dito, and that is worldwide. At number 6, no auto ships or hard selling. Wala nang ganito sa Live Good. Inalis na ito. Number 7, first mover advantage. Maganda na yung nauna ka na or up to date ka. Tama ba? At number 8, residual income and long-term stability. Ibig sabihin, kapag na-reach mo na itong metrics commissions mo up to level 15, meron ka ng profit shares kay Live Good. Kahit hindi ka na magtrabaho at nasa bahay ka lang, with your family, meron kang income. And that is every single month, may income na pumapasok sa'yo. So parang early retirement mo na rin ito. And that is long-term stability. Number 9, done for you marketing system. So dito, everything you need is done for you na. Tools, systems, websites, videos, training. Opo, everything you need, nasa dashboard mo na ito at ikaw na lang ang kulang. And take note, hindi mo ito gagawin na mag-isa. Kasama mo ang buong DMW community where we'll guide you on how to do the business right. Alright? At number 10, trusted leadership and transparency. Very visible po ang corporate team dahil every now and then merong Zoom presentation and every Friday ang ating CEO ang nagpapaliwanag dito worldwide. Lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, makikita nyo rin ang mga coaches and leaders. Twice a day, meron tayong Zoom presentation. And every Sunday, meron naman tayong bandingan hosted by DMW Dreammakers Worldwide. Alright. Good news! TGIF, the greatest inspirational formula. Meaning, lahat ng magjo-join kay MMK ay malalagyan at malalagyan ang tig-2 direct enrollees kapag sumali din sila sa TGIF ni MMK. Pwede mo naman ilagay sa iyo ang first 2 enrollees na napajoin mo, pero hindi ito malalagyan ng 2 ni MMK kasi hindi ito ma-encode sa TGIF. Maliwanag po tayo dyan, and that is fair and square. Huwag kayo mag-alala. Ang lahat ng umaattend dito, tulad mo. Kapag na-inspired, nagjo-join. Yes, you heard me right. Lahat ng umaattend dito ay nagjo-join kapag na-inspired. Ang tanong, inspired na ba kayo? Alright. And now, ang presentation na ito ay ginawa para sa mga walang sapat na puhunan. Ang magiging puhunan mo na lang dito ay sipag at abilidad. Meaning, magpa-attend ka lang dito sa ating free Zoom orientation ng mga friends mo or sa lahat na gusto mong matulungan na kumita. Dahil sila rin naman ang tutulong sa iyo na ma-free ang iyong registration. Once na merong nag-join na 2 sa iyong pina-attend, free na ang iyong registration. Pero kung kaya mo naman maglabas ng 3,000 pesos, maganda pa rin yung nauna ka na sa pwesto para lahat ng masisipag salo mo under your metrics trip. But there's no pressure. The final decision is entirely yours. Alright? Join and enroll. Okay, so decisions making. When decisions making comes, Dalawa lang po ito. Confused or decided. Kapag confused, ayan na, marami ng mga katanungan. How, why, what, where? Sa halagang 3,000 pesos. Confused? Marahil hindi ito para sa'yo. At kapag mayroong confused sa mga pinatin mo, hindi humanap pa ng iba. Sino ba ang nawalan? Hindi po tayo nagmamakaawa or namimilit na magpa-join dito. Dahil time will come. Sila na mismo ang lalapit sa atin. And once you are decided, sa halagang 3,000 pesos, ang layo na ng narating ng 3,000 pesos mo, tama ba? Dito, makinig ka lang at sumunod. At kapag ikaw ay sumunod at nakinig, you will never go wrong. Malayo ang iyong mararating. Huwag ka lang maliligaw. Okay? And now, if you are decided, congratulations! And welcome to the club. So marami na ang naging results na gumanda ang kanilang buhay dahil kay Live Good. You can visit our FB group, MMK Magpakailanman, to watch the testimonials. And once you join, your life can truly change for the better. All right. Okay, so if you are decided, get back to the person who invited you. All right? Supplementation is not only important, it is literally vital to your health. There is a saying, health is wealth. Pero lahat naman ay tumatanda at nagkakasakit. Pag nagkasakit, lahat ng savings mo ay mapupunta na lang sa gamot. Paano kung wala ka ng savings? Hindi ka na rin healthy. Hindi mo na rin masasabi na wealthy ka. Tama po ba? In Live Good, once to join, your life can truly change for the better. Dahil lahat ng products ay makukuha mo na ito ng libre. Hindi mo na ito dudukutin pa sa iyong bulsa because of the compensation plan. And it's time to make a change. Are you ready? If you do so, your wealth is health! Alright! So dahil kapag ikaw ay wealthy, makukuha mo na ang lahat ng gusto mong products, which is the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet. At ito ay madadigest na ng iyong katawan. And now, you can say that you are healthy. Tama po ba? Pinapalakpakan po yan. Alright. Okay, so ito ang sinabi ni Nader Kasan. The days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Dahil dito, itinatag nila ang Live Good with our CEO na si Ben Glinsky. At tinanggal na nila ang lahat ng hindi maganda sa networking industry. Kaya sa mga nagsasabi na alam ko na yan, galing na ako dyan, pare-parehas lang yan. Tama po kayo, pero sa old traditional networking po ito. Dito sa Live Good, wala na po ang lahat ng mga ito. Kaya binansagan ng Live Good na the disruption or the revolutionary company. And it's time to make a change. Are you ready? And now, the days of getting subscription with a membership club that pays you so many people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich or Live Good. Woohoo! That's why we joined Live Good. All right? Thank you. Once again, this is Master Mami B at nagsasabing, MMK from the world itself. Maniwala, magtiwala, kikita. And true? TGIF. The greatest inspirational formula. Once you're inspired, dapat share the blessings ng tayo ay pagpalain. Just keep sharing, that's it. And the blessings will follow. Alright. See you at the top.